G'day everyone, welcome back to Steve's Place Down Under. Today we're going to pick up a D series that was given to me by a bloke that watches the channel. It's only local to my place. I'm taking the big R600 Mac with the step deck on it, and my mate's bringing his tractor just to push it on. It hasn't gone for years, so there'll be a pickup and a will it start episode. Okay everyone, here she is. I'm going to swing into it. We've got a stiff bar, we're going to push it up the ramps of the old Mac and then take it home. I didn't bring my tripod, so what I'm going to do is just film what I can here, then when we get home I'll set it up and film unloading it properly. I think she's in quite good nick. I think I'll pinch a few bits and pieces off it and maybe someone else might be interested in it, or I'll hang on to it. Quite good order really. We've got a bit of rust, but I think she's got the parts to finish that yellow one off I've got too. I just had to get a brick to knock the door button in here to get her open so I could get onto this big steering wheel here to line her up with the drop deck. Something's been bringing some snails in here. I've never seen that before. It obviously happens, and never anything I've gone and pick up. It's always just usually rat nests and stuff like that. Anyway, okay, we got her on. He was just telling me 28 years it sat there, so that's going to make a good title for Will It Start. I think he said the only problem last time they had it going was the split pin on reverse. I don't know if it was inside the transmission or something on the outside, but when we get it going we'll try all that, but the brakes are going to be shot. It's probably not something I'll use, but I certainly appreciate the call, and they're selling the place and it was going to scrap anyway, so it's worth doing a few videos and hopefully someone might want some bits and pieces off it. Oh, we got her on. Head back to my place, unload it, and then you can put the R model on. That'll be a separate video though. This place is for sale. There's 100 acres here. So it was going to scrap if I didn't get it, so I think it's good even if someone else wants it to, you know, a few D series forums on Facebook and stuff like that, blokes after parts. Someone might think they can use something off it after I get a few things off it. Hopefully that's the case. Alright everyone, hope you enjoyed that. If you are interested in this truck, I'm going to get a few bits and pieces off it, and then I would like to move it on to someone else that can use it. It's only going to rot here. I'm sort of going to try and refrain from keeping stuff I'm not overly interested in it so it rusts here. Someone else is interested, they can hopefully use it. I will be doing a startup video that may help you decide, see it all work and everything. Hopefully that helps someone decide whether they want it or not. If not, I'll advertise it elsewhere, and hopefully someone needs parts, they may want to restore it, may want to use it on a farm even. So thanks everyone for watching. Keep an eye out for the Will It Start episode. Please share, please like, please subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.